Hi everyone, in front of me I've got UMIDIGI G5 Tab, and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So let's begin this process with making sure that you've got the internet connection, because it is required. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data if you've got your SIM card inserted, and you can use both for checking. However, if you'll decide to download the update, I highly recommend to switch to the Wi-Fi, because the files connected with the update are quite large and you might be charged, so we want to avoid that. Alright, so we've got the internet connection, and now we can enter the settings. So let's tap on it. Here in this left section, scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Let's tap on it. And right here we've got this option, System Update. So let's tap. And now your device will basically try to find new updates, and you can meet two different scenarios. So this is the first one where your software is up to date and there is nothing to download. As you can see, we've got Android, the Android 13, and we cannot really update it again, but let me tap for check for the updates. And the second scenario is where your device will actually find the update. It will show you the information about it, what has been fixed, what has been added, and then you will be able to tap on download or install. It should appear somewhere here, and then your device will apply the update. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.